What's good, guys? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. Today we're going to be trading institutional trading and trading towards the money, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so if you're new around here, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 50k subs. Also family, you guys need to up that like game, man. I need a 2-to-1 views to like ratio. So if the video has 1,000 views, I want the like game to hit 500 likes. This is about to be a blessed session. I've received some comments from you guys saying I should do a top down. There were some more comments on my Instagram as well saying that, you know, I need to show them from the higher time frames as well. So do you know what? I thought, you know what, let me quickly bust this for you guys. Let me quickly show you guys, give you guys some source, and so you guys know exactly what's going on. So guys, so this is that 2 weekly time frame. I bet you guys don't even trade off the 2 weekly. I bet you guys don't even watch or analyze the 2 weekly. So this is why it's so good to cipher through all the time frames to really get what you want. With this 2 weekly time frame, what do we see? An institutional candle, right? We see an institutional candle over here, this 2 weekly time frame. So we've got the monthly high over here. That's the monthly high, okay? And we've also got this institutional candle, okay, before that down move. Cool. So what happens is, so I've been bullish for GU for the longest of times, right? So even when it looked like it was going to reverse and everything else, you know, I'm still bullish on GU. Why? Because I know that the big banks, you know, the institutions, they are still in drawdown in this candlestick. So this is exactly why price was being drawn up here, okay? When price started dropping lower, I'm going to show you in a lower time frame, but when price started dropping lower, I remained bullish. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I was looking at as well. So bear this in mind, we've got that 2 weekly time frame. Don't forget, most of the volume's at 50%, so it might not be over yet, but we still might be able to get some kind of pullback before the next push up. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame now. I wanted to quickly show you guys what I was seeing. 4-hour time frame, okay, you can see what's going on here. They create equal highs. We know what's above equal highs. If you've been part of this channel for the longest of times, or even just a week even, or even a day, you guys know how I feel about these equal highs and equal lows, right? And so, you know, there's lots of retail stop losses up here, okay? Retail be selling this thing. They had a little one too, they ate a little bit. The main aim was for price to go higher, okay? So those retailers who didn't move their stop loss and they were thinking it's going to continue to drop, they got stopped out. So now what else has happened, right? So this is that short-term low that takes out the liquidity. When price trades back down, okay, so just little indications that it's going down. You got equal lows down here, so you know they're going to come and run that. When price came back down, was trading downwards, what happened? It didn't beat that low. So we're staying bullish. It traded back up again and then created equal highs, okay? So you know they're going to go higher again, right? So I've been bullish, right? And I'm going to bring you on to this piece of information now. This was another leg up from here, okay, and pushed all the way up, started consolidating, okay, created equal highs, but they never run that out and created another set of equal lows. So guys, you can see what's happening. They are just creating equal lows and equal highs non-stop, confusing every single person right now. But if you know how to stay in line with the banks, you know, you stay winning. So look, equal lows down here, so you know there's money down here, okay? Don't forget, we're waiting for a pullback now. So this was my area I wanted it to pull back to. This area right down here at 3556 or 3555. Price came just a few pips. I'm talking about 10 pips, okay, 10 pips for my entry, and then news came in, I believe, and then it shot price up about 130 pips. So I completely missed this whole big move. So this is why I'm in so late, right? I should have been in from these levels down here, but it's all good. Like, just because it's moved doesn't mean you can't get an entry. So when price pushed up, okay, and pulled back down into this level down here, this is where I got my buy-in, okay? So I got my buy-in roughly about 36.83, and you guys know where the targets were. Now check this out, right? And you guys saw on Instagram, I've been swing trading this, right? So this is where I got my entry from. So this is the one that you saw on Instagram. And then look what we have. So first of all, we have the drawn price on the 2 weekly time frame, that institutional candle. We also have these set of equal highs on the 4-hour time frame. They've run out the ones on the bottom side, as you can see. So now they should go to the opposite side, right? Which is this one up here. They also produced another set of equal highs down here. Price pushed up, okay, created equal highs. Retailers got excited, started selling down, but look, they got run out. You see it? And so we know, for example, that price is going to get to our level. So this is exactly why I was trading to 3850. Price then started rising, took out these guys, took out the stop losses above here, and continued to rise all the way up. Obviously this trade is done now, we're good with that. So that was my high time frame analysis for the 2 weekly to the 4, and now I'm going to show you guys how I managed to get in with entries for a sell. So don't forget, this is our level. The level came in at 38.47, right? 38.47 was where that institutional candle is. So now on the 2 weekly time frame, so let me go back to the 2 weekly. So I don't start looking for sells now until when we get into our area of interest. This is our area of interest. Don't forget, like I said, this is just to open. They've not mitigated everything. They could come to 50%, they can come to 100%. They can even smash out these monthly highs and start going for these next highs as well. I'm not saying this move is done, but you could catch a little pullback. So now, once we get into this level down here, this is when I start looking for a reversal sign. So this is when I go down to the lower time frame now to show you guys how I caught this entry. So when it got into this area down here, I did manage to get 3 entries for the sell. You know, you saw like a little smart money reversal, but then eventually none of these trades banged. These 2 hit stop profit. This one was a loss, right? I was waiting for them to run out these equal lows. But they decided not to do it, okay, at that moment in time. When price did pull up, I did catch another entry to the equal lows, and then I scaled off. Then I waited for the next day, okay? And so this is what we got the next day now. Obviously, I'm not going to give up on this trade. I know it's in my area for a reversal, right? And so when I get that sign, your boy's in again. We get, look, consolidation. You know what's above and beneath, right? You know there's money there. They run it out. They run out the stop losses above here. This was the move that ran out the liquidity. It was not broken beneath. Price came back down and pushed higher. So you're still bullish at the moment. You're still bullish. And then the moment it breaks beneath that short-term low that takes out the liquidity above this area here, that's when you start looking for a pullback to get your entry. Just remember, this is that last up close candle before the down move, right? So when price pulls back up into this candlestick here, okay, this is where you get your entry and then you sell it all the way down. Now guys, when it comes to targets, right, so this was the buy up. It was just a sweet buy. We're now selling it down. You guys know I'm already in 3 positions already, so that's all good. So now when it comes to that target zone, I'm going to be targeting this last unclosed candle. So this is where they started buying up. Okay, so this is where it missed my entry by just like 6 pips or 10 pips, right? If this is where they started buying up, this is where I'm going to start targeting. So this is roughly about 288 pips. So it doesn't mean it's going to get all the way down here. Just letting you guys know, this is not no signal or nothing. You can take TP wherever you want. You can take it at these lows, any of these lows. You can take it when it gets down to this low. So that's just me. I'm going to be holding this trade to see whether I can get a pullback to where they started buying from. So that's going to be my target. This is a 1 to 72 risk to reward. Okay, so that means you can grow your account by 72% if you risk 1% per trade. If you're risking more, then you can grow your account by more than that as well. Anyway, family, that's going to be the video done. That is exactly how I do a top-down analysis, literally from the higher time frame for the bias all the way down to the lower time frame for entry, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want mentorship, hit me up on Instagram, just type in mentorship, and then we can get to work. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 50k subscribers. If we can get the channel to 50,000 subscribers, it will be absolutely crazy. Imagine, family, imagine 50,000 people doing that institutional thing. We will be moving the markets. We will be like Wall Street bets, moving these markets because 50,000 of us are trading towards the money. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. I'm getting excited for that. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Smash that thumbs up button. I'm being very serious about getting that 2-to-1 views to like ratio. So the video has 2,000 views. I'm talking about 1,000 likes. If I don't get that, actually, look, I might start doing trendline videos. Guys, have a blessed day. Peace out.